Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lisa if you're new around here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a B&M haul. So if you want to know what I've been buying recently, then just keep watching. Let's get started. Okay, so we went to B&M this morning and I got a few bits that I've been needing to get and also a few random things as well. The first things are super boring and it is bleach. I needed to get some more bleach, so I went for the Domestos thick bleach. I got this one, and then I also picked up this one, which is Parazone Bleach Plus. So I got one for my bathroom and one for Mark's bathroom. I always buy it from B&M or Home Bargains, anywhere like that really. The boys also grabbed some of these Mr. Kipling's layered slices. These are the lemon layered slices. These are so nice. If you've not tried them, give them a try. I just love like lemon. I always find it really refreshing, the flavour, but Vinny actually picked these out himself. He really loves those, so I got some of those. It won't be a surprise to you because I've actually got these in like my last 2 or 3 hauls now, and these are the Nescafe 3-in-1 original coffees. They're like coffee sachets with sugar and milk already in them, so yeah, absolutely adore these. These are so good. I literally have them all the time. I used to be more of a tea drinker. I used to only ever drink tea. I found coffee really strong, but these are just so flavoursome. They're just so nice, so I got some of those. They were £1.99 for how many did you get in there? 15 sachets. I got this actually, the Airwick. This is an Airwick reed diffuser. I got this because my mum's got one. When I went to her house the other day, I could just smell it and I was like, oh my gosh, what is that? And she said, oh, it's this reed diffuser, and it literally smells so lovely. I went for the linen scent. I always get linen in everything. Kind of a safe scent to get. They always smell lovely, so I went for that one. It says it lasts for 20 days, up to 20 days, and if you need to in the shop, you can also scratch this part here to smell it to see if you like the scent as well. And that one was, how much was that? That was £2.99 for that one. Okay, next up I got this sellotape dispenser. This was £1.99 and it's a white dispenser. They had loads of different colours actually. They had loads of them. They had like blue, pink, green I think, and it comes with 2 sellotapes as well to go in there. I got this for Vinny to go in his craft drawer. I said that I've probably mentioned it once or twice on here before that I'm making him a craft drawer, so I wanted to get him all of the supplies that he needs. So as and when I see them, I'm just picking them up as I go along. So this one was £1.99 and I thought it would be useful because it's easier for him to use when he's using tape rather than cutting it with scissors. So I got him that. I also got myself this Minky cloth. This is a glass and window cloth. This one was £1.99 I think. Let me just check. No, this one was £2.79, so a little bit more expensive. But you don't need to use any product, you just use the cloth. Oh, so you can lightly dampen it with water or use dry, and it's suitable for cleaning dirt and grease from windows, glass, mirrors, stainless steel and any other shiny surfaces throughout the home. I also got myself some toothbrushes. These are not for me, these are actually for cleaning. I wanted to get some really like bigger toothbrushes because I wanted to use it on my grout. So these are the biggest ones I could find. And then I got this Addis premium scrubbing brush for £1.99 in this gorgeous like mint green colour. It's like a mint green or turquoise, I don't really know, but it's lovely. Again, I thought it'd be really good for cleaning. I haven't actually got like a scrubber, so I thought this would be great on my tiles in my bathroom, or again when I'm cleaning the floor and like when I'm cleaning all of the grout and stuff. So I got one of those. I got another one of those coffees because I ran out of them very quickly. I also got Vinny an A4 drawing pad, which was I think £1.99, and then I also got these craft tapes for £1.99. Vinny loves tape. Again, it's another thing he loves. Like I said, I've got him that tape dispenser because he loves it. But then I saw these, and these are like washi tapes basically. So it's craft tape. You get 13 rolls, and it was £1.99. There was loads of different ones. They also had glittery ones in there as well. But I was really surprised to see those because these could be quite expensive to buy individually usually. I don't know how sticky they'll be, but I thought they'll be quite nice for little craft projects that he's got going on. So I got that. I also got these sticky letters to go in his craft drawer. So these are 3D craft stickers, and they were £1.39 or £1.49 even, so I got those. The boys picked up a Kinder Surprise pack of 3 eggs. They love these and they're always quite a good little bribing tool, so we got one of those. I also got some scissors. I needed to get some more because I think I threw the other ones away when I was like chucking a box away from packaging, so yeah, I had to replenish those because I just can't find them anywhere, and they came as a pack of 2 for £1.69. I then got this gel pillow. You might have seen me mention this on my Amazon video because I actually bought 2 of these for Mark and myself, and basically it's like a gel, well, pillow actually. And do you know what? This actually feels nicer than the ones we got from Amazon, and these were £5. So this one was £5, and it's a gel pillow that stays cool. And basically Vinny really wanted one for his bed because he gets so hot in bed. I don't know about you guys, but my kids get so hot in bed, literally sweating. So I got him this. So he's got his own gel pillow. This one's really nice actually. So this is the one I got off Amazon for literally the same price, and it's much harder and smaller than this one, which was £5. So if you need one, go to B&M. I don't know how good this one is, but it does feel lovely and cool on my legs, and it's much softer, so it might be nice and soft like when you're sleeping on it. I don't know if it'll be cooler. My one does feel cooler to touch, but it might be cooler when, I don't know, when you're lying down or whatever. Great for injuries, a car seat cooler, a laptop cushion. You can use it as a backrest, foot cooling pad, or again on your pillow, which is what Vinny's going to use his for. So we got that one, which it would also probably be quite nice for pets as well. If you've got a cat or a small dog, then this might be quite nice for them as well to keep them cool in the summer. Mark must have picked these up for the kids. Savoury selection pack, bacon fries and scampi fries. I got some tissue paper for the craft drawer. This one was £1.29. There's loads of different colours in there. And how many you get? You get 20 sheets of tissue paper. And then last but not least, we're going to end it on a cleaning item, and these are gloves. And look how cute they are. Bright pink Addis gloves, and they were £1.69. Ideal for protecting hands from harsh cleaning chemicals and detergents. And these have got like a flock lining, so they're really soft inside. That's what I really liked about them. You know when you wear rubber gloves, sometimes they can smell obviously like rubber, and it's really not very nice. I hate wearing them for that reason. But these are like really soft inside, like a little bit fleecy. So can you see how like soft that is in there? So nice. They come in one size only, but I had to get these ones in pink. They did have a purple pair as well. They are really lovely actually. So yeah, those are all of the items I bought from B&M today. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you've been picking up from B&M and all of the other bargain shops recently. I would love to know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.